Hello and welcome back to my channel, Fabulous Ideas. And yes, from the title, this video is all about come and get ready for Valentine's with me. So Valentine's is only a couple of days away now, so I'm just going to show you some of the makeup that I'll be using for my look to get ready for Valentine's Day, and also the kind of outfit that I've chosen for Valentine's. So I've already started with my blank canvas, and I'm just going to be showing you some of the products that I'll be using today. I don't like to wear too much makeup, so the makeup will be very natural today, and I always believe that less is best. So before we begin, if you are new to my channel, then a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe. If you think this is a great video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also make any comments down below. So let's start with my first product of the day that I'll be using for this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is the base, and I'm going to go for the Bobbi Brown. I don't know whether you can see that. Yes, it's zoomed in. This is the Bobbi Brown with vitamins enriched face base. So yeah, I really like this. It's got the shea butter in there, and it's got the vitamin C and E, so really nice. And when you smell this, obviously you can see that I use it a lot, and it's got this beautiful lemon smell. Very fresh, I must say. Very fresh and very smooth on the skin. So very easy to apply. So I'm just going to go gently with this. So if I'm not looking at you, I'm looking straight ahead because I have my mirror ahead of me there. So that's the only reason I'm looking ahead. So yeah, that's really nice. I always apply cream. Every time I use cream, I always apply it to my hands as well. It's just something that I do. So okay, so after that, I'm going to be using this foundation. Now, this foundation is obviously a lot darker than my skin, and it's only because I just like to have a little bit of colour, and I use this because this one is a darker shade, and it's got a little tint, and it just makes me, just makes me feel alive. So this is a Maybelline, and it is the 24-hour full coverage Superstay foundation. I actually do like to invest in foundations that I think are going to last me all of the day, so I do like the fact that it is the 24-hour full coverage stay. And I'm going to use this with my sponge to be applying this onto my skin. So I just do a few couple of dabs. That's how I usually do it. And then just keep going on with that. And like I said, I don't want to be doing too much. I want this kind of like a natural, I want it there, but I don't want it to, like, you know, overtake. So I'm going to be smoothing this out. Obviously very careful around the eye area where the skin is very delicate, and little taps around there. So now that that's nice and all blended in, I am going to be starting with my eyeliner. So it's just a, you know, normal ordinary eyeliner, and it is in dark brown. So I'm literally just going to go into the corners of my eyes and then just go across. Okay, and then I'm going to go with my blush, and this is from the Bare Minerals, and it's a Gen Nude. So I really like this colour. It does bring a nice glow to the face. So I am also going to be using this L'Oreal, and it's like a lip paint, and it's in a matte. And I do like these these new lipsticks that don't have such a shine. Like I said, it was kind of a natural look. So it's a nudist, and it's 212 liquid lipstick. So that's what it is. As you can see, there it is. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna. And it's still got that moisture on here. I do like L'Oreal products. It's still got that lovely moist on there, but it just looks matte. It doesn't look as glossy. So yes, we're getting there. Right, so before I do my mascara, and it's only because it's happened to me before, and I don't know if this happens with everybody, but I have my Revolution face spray just to set the makeup. Now, when I wear mascara and I spray this, it does run. So I'm going to spray this first, and then I apply my mascara. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Push Up Drama mascara. I do tend to buy a lot of these, and I think I've got some L'Oreal as well. No, actually this is a Maybelline Big Shot as well that I have. Yeah, but I'm going to be going with this one, this Push Up Drama one. So. And I don't like to put false eyelashes on. Not that I have a problem with it. I just think for me it just looks too harsh. Like I said, less is best. I don't like something that just looks too much around the eye area, making them look darker than they should, or heavy. I like to look a bit light. So yeah, and also I like to be comfortable. False eyelashes, sometimes they look great, but I just don't feel comfortable. And when you're going out, I like to look as natural as possible, but my main objective is to feel as comfortable as possible. It's a very fresh, natural looking, but obviously you can tell that I have makeup because I've put all my colour in there. So I hope that you can see that. I'm going to put on some perfume, and yes, I just wanted to show you. So the one that I've selected today is from Good Girl. Absolutely adore the smell of this. It is beautiful. It is very light, but it is also very floral as well. I find it very floral smell, very gentle. So yes, not a harsh smell. So yes, this is the perfume that I will be wearing today. So smells lovely. Okay, I'm going to show you the outfit that I will be wearing, but before I do that, I want to show you my hair. So obviously I need to get my hair done, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to do my hair for this evening. So okay, so for my hair I want to show you the product. This is a actual ponytail. It's one of the long ones. I don't know if this one is 22 inch, I can't remember, but you know, it is human hair. So I got this from Amazon, and I will put the links down below, so I'm not going to go too much in detail about information. I'm just going to give you a link below for the same one. I got this one in black, obviously, because of the colour match, and you can get ombre ones, and it's just like you get this little clip in here, and obviously you wrap this around and you put your hair in a ponytail, and it will give you the illusion of a big, fuller longer hair, and that's, see, already it can give you a transformation, and I haven't even yet put it on. So that is the look that I will be going for. So let's put my hair up in a ponytail and then add on the hair extension, which again, like I said, is human hair. I prefer human hair, a lot lighter, a lot more natural, and it looks more real. So yes, and then we'll go on to the outfit. So I'm so excited to show you the outfit as well. So let me just get my hairbrush. Okay, so I have my hairbrush here, and I'm just going to be taking my hair out of my ponytail, and we are going to be putting it up in a ponytail. Okay, so now I've put my hair up in my ponytail. As you can see, it's a very small ponytail. So this gives the illusion of very much longer and fuller hair. So I'm just going to be pumping that in like that. And as you can see, and it's got this Velcro, which is really great. And then you've got to wrap it around. And then wrap the hair around, so that's going around the Velcro part, so you can't see it, so it just looks like hair. And then see how easy that was, and it actually doesn't feel uncomfortable. It doesn't feel like you have anything on, so it's great. It blends in, obviously, if you pick your right colour, it blends in with your natural hair. It obviously gives you as if you've got fuller, longer hair. So yeah, I'm ready to go. But before we do that, I want to show you my outfit. So let's go and do that now. Okay, so this is the dress, obviously in red. Loving all of these details. Yes, it is lace. Yes, it is see-through, but it does come, just wanted to show you that on a piece on its own, it does come with an additional, obviously, undergarment that you wear, so that obviously you're not all on display. So there you go, and that's quite long, and again it is in the similar, obviously, colour, in the red. So just want to see where, if I can show you where I got this. So yeah, this one is 9 Savannah Miller. So this is that dress in a nice size 12. So yes, that's the dress that I have chosen. So I'm going to get into that dress now just to show you. So as you can see, this is the dress on. I also want to show you the boots that I will be using as well. So these are the boots. These are like from Hush Puppies, and they've got all these lovely detailing, and this is what I like about them. And a lovely heel. The boots. So yeah, got my shoes, got my dress, and I'm just going to be ending it in a nice little mini leather jacket. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video, and I was happy to share that come get ready with me for Valentine's Day. So yeah, and I hope to see you all again in my next video. So off out for a meal now.